Namaste, Vanakkam, Hare Krishna. Welcome to Conscious Cooking. I am Anuradha, and today we're going to be taking advantage of all those gorgeous lemons that are making their way into our winter gardens. We're going to be making an Indian lemonade called Nimbu Pani. To make our Indian homemade Nimbu Pani, we're going to start by making a lemon concentrate or a syrup. And for that, we're going to use about 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water, and we're going to bring this mixture to a boil. So as we wait for the sugar to dissolve in the water, let's just quickly chop up another ingredient that we're going to be using in our Nimbu Pani, and that is some fresh mint. And then the other thing I'm going to do while we're waiting for that sugar to dissolve is I'm going to crush or finely crush this ingredient called black salt. It's used extensively in a lot of Indian drinks and Indian cuisine. It's something that you probably need to get used to, but it adds a really different and interesting flavor to a Nimbu Pani. So I'm going to crush it, and I need, for the quantity that I'm making, about a teaspoon of black salt. So this is the syrup that's going to form the base for our drinks going forward. Right, I'm quite happy with the consistency of the syrup. I'm now going to add half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I'm going to add in a teaspoon of kala namak or black salt. And I'm also going to add in a quarter of a teaspoon of freshly crushed jeera powder. Right, our syrup is ready. We're now going to take it off the stove and we're going to cool it completely. So before I get going, in my jug, I'm going to be making a jug of Nimbu Pani. I'm going to put in there some of that mint that I chopped up and a few slices of fresh lemon. I'm going to also add in some ice cubes, and I'm going to add in a little bit of rose syrup. And the rose syrup obviously adds so much flavor to a Nimbu Pani. So I'm going to add in a quarter of this concentrate for a full jug of Nimbu Pani, and I will add in some water. And if you're interested in getting some fizz, you can add in some soda water. Let's give all this a really good mix. And your Nimbu Pani is now ready for serving. And there you have authentic Indian lemonade called Nimbu Pani to share with friends and family.